Hi, welcome to my kitchen and thank you for choosing this video. Now, these are oats. We all know oats, or if you don't know what they are available at many local supermarkets here in Kenya and even across the world, I guess. So, what you do, we are making an oat smoothie. You can use oat even to make porridge. There are so many things that you can use oats for. So the first step is to roast them, and you roast them in a pan. The way I'm just doing, you just cook them in a hot pan until they turn like so. Then you transfer them to a container to let them cool down for some time. The reason why you roast them is so that they can taste like nuts. You know, it has a very good taste when it's roasted, and ensure that it has this color. Then now we arrange our ingredients. This is what we're going to use. We have bananas, then we have milk, then we have blueberries. Watu wa Nairobi tafadhali, hizi ni blueberries, sio grapes. Lol. Then we have oats themselves, and then we have honey. There's some honey there, and then we also have this, which is cinnamon. You can also use cardamom, you can use ginger, you can use mint, whichever you prefer. So for the honey, let me say this, you can use yogurt instead of honey. This is just to make it more sweet. So you can use yogurt, like flavored yogurt instead of honey. It still brings out a very sweet taste for this. Then now we go now to the next step where we are blending everything here. The bananas, blueberries, the oats, cinnamon, milk, and finally honey. Just put the amounts that you would prefer, okay? Then blend. And your smoothie is ready. You serve it in a glass and then you drink using a straw. It's better using a straw because it's very thick. That way you enjoy it. So if you want it to be cold, like if you want to have it as a cold drink, you can freeze your bananas and blueberries. You use them when frozen. Or when blending, you can add ice cubes. It will be very cold if that's how you prefer it. So thank you guys for watching. That's it for today. Until next time, Baraka.